Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create folders in Outlook 365, so you can organize your emails and keep your inbox clean. Let's get started. Open Outlook 365 on your desktop. On the left-hand side, you'll see your inbox and other mail folders. Right-click on your mail or any existing folder. Select New Folder. Type a name for your folder, like Action Items. Press Enter, your new folder is ready to use. To stay extra organized, you can create subfolders inside a folder. Example, under Action Items, make subfolders like Clients, Projects, or Reports. Just right-click the parent folder, click New Folder, name it, press Enter. Simply drag and drop emails into the folder. Or right-click on an email, click Move, select your folder. And that's it. You've just learned how to create folders in Outlook 365. This simple step will make your inbox so much easier to manage. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Office 365 tips.